Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn the spices name. Indian madder, Szechuan pepper, stone flower, garlic, onion, salt, turmeric powder, star anise, cardamom, red chilli powder, dry mint, fenugreek, black pepper powder, black pepper, saffron, dry coriander, clove, dry pomegranate seed, fennel seeds, casaca bell chilies, sumac leaves and flowers, mustard seed, anise, cinnamon, cumin, kalangal, black cardamom, sumac, white pepper, mace, dill seeds, psyllium seeds, poppy seeds, black mustard, vanilla beans, ginger powder, juniper red, allspice, tamarind, asafoetida, juniper black, licorice, red pepper, caraway, sweet basil, nutmeg, bay leaves, red clover, epimedium, Cherokee rosehip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.